Good morning, everyone. Hope you are fine, doing well, and you noted all the points that we discussed before. So, uh, in today's class, we will discuss the solar system. Before we get started, let me remind you the last or previous classes. In the previous classes, we discussed that there are 8 planets in the solar system. Sun is the center point, and all 8 planets revolve around the sun in a orbit. So, which are the 8 planets? The planet their life found is Earth, and there are 7 more. So there, as you can see on the board up, there is a line written, "My very elegant mother just served us noodles." One more time, listen it carefully. My very elegant mother just served us noodles. As you can see, there is underlined every first letter in the word. M, first one, my, M is underlined. M stand for here Mercury. V, second V stand for Venus. Number 3, elegant, here E stand for Earth. Number 4, mother, M stand for Mars. Number 5, just, J stand for Jupiter. Number 6, served, S stand for Saturn. Number 7, us, U stand for Uranus. And last one, noodles, N stand for Neptune. So this is the line that we can learn in a sequence, planet's name in a sequence. My very elegant mother just served us noodles. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, noodles. So this is a easy way to learn all planets' name in a sequence, from the closer to the sun, farthest, closer to far, close to far from the sun, because sun is the center point. Sun is at the center point in the solar system. So after that, all planets name. Today's chapter, the first point is asteroids. What are the asteroids? All the small rocky bodies that lie between Mars and Jupiter are called asteroids. All the rocky bodies means the hard part, or that made from the rocks, and the debris means, we can say, hard part and कंस्ट्रक्शन के लिए जो हम काम करते हैं, आप देख सकते हो कंस्ट्रक्शन में जब भी काम करते हैं तो उसमें जो पीछे जो बचता है कंस्ट्रक्शन के, उसको हम डेब्रिस कह सकते हैं. तो वैसा पार्ट्स जो प्रेजेंट है मार्स एंड जुपिटर, बिटवीन मार्स एंड जुपिटर, दीज आर द एस्टेरॉइड्स. And asteroids are vary in size they are not all same. Some are small, some are large. And the largest asteroid is Ceres, and its diameter, the diameter is 700 kilometer. So these are the asteroids. The next one, meteors. What are meteors? Those rocks or part of rocks enter into Earth's atmosphere, and due to friction with atmospheric dust and gases, most of these burn out completely, are called meteors. As you can see in the sky in the night, you see some lights, some friction of light flashing in the night in the sky for few moments, for few seconds. These are the meteors. We can call it meteors. नाइट में जब भी आपने कभी देखा होगा, नाइट में कुछ लाइट फ्लैश होती है, नाइट में स्काई में लाइट फ्लैश होती है फॉर सम मोमेंट, फॉर कुछ सेकंड्स के लिए लाइट फ्लैश होती है, हम उसको मेटेओर्स कह सकते हैं, हम उसको मेटेओर कहेंगे, वो मेटेओर्स ही होता है. व्हाट आर द मेटेओर्स? दीज आर द पार्ट ऑफ दैट एस्टेरॉइड्स broken from the asteroids and enter into the earth atmosphere. When they enter into the earth atmosphere have the dust and gases, then they friction with the atmosphere and they burn out. When they burn out completely, then they called meteors. But sometime the meteors are not small. Then what happened? Then they do not burn out completely and strike on the earth, and it make a big crater. Make a big crater on the earth. Those are called meteoroids. Those meteors do not completely burn out and strike on the earth and making craters are called meteoroids. So those part of asteroids burn out completely are called meteors, and those do not burn out completely and strike on the earth. Strike means hit on the earth and make craters, a big hole on the earth. बड़ा सा गड्ढा बना देते हैं, उसको meteoroids कहते हैं. The largest meteoroids hit on the earth is in the state of Arizona, USA. Arizona present on the USA. In the USA, the crater, the largest crater is 1200 meter across and 170 meter deep. That is the size of that crater. कहीं कहीं पर क्रेटर्स में लेक्स भी बन जाती है, तो ये मेटेओर्स होते हैं. द नेक्स्ट वन, कॉमेट्स. व्हाट आर द कॉमेट्स? द फेमस कॉमेट्स, वी कैन स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द फेमस कॉमेट इज हेलीज कॉमेट. आपने सुना होगा हेली स्टार का नेम, हेली स्टार. The comets are ball of dust. The comets are ball of dust, ice particles and frozen gases that revolve around the sun. Comets are the balls of dust, ice particles and frozen gases and that revolves around the sun. When they come closer to the sun in their highly एलिप्टिकल ऑर्बिट्स, जो सन की एलिप्टिकल हाईली जो सन रेज के कारण उसकी बहुत वो उस ऑर्बिट में आते हैं, then they vaporize and then they vaporize with who? Comets vaporize and form a long tail. They make a long tail, and that tail could be long as 1 million kilometers, not 1 meter or 1 kilometer, 1 million kilometers. That could be, not always, but could be. That is called comets. That is called comets. कॉमेट्स क्या होते हैं? कॉमेट्स बॉल्स होती हैं जो डस्ट पार्टिकल, आइस पार्टिकल्स और फ्रोजन गैसेस की होती है, और वो अर्थ के अराउंड रिवॉल्व करती है. अब वो कॉमेट्स कब कहलाती है? दैट व्हेन दे कम क्लोज टू द सन. सन के जब क्लोज आती है तो वो वेपोराइज होती है, क्योंकि उसमें आइस पार्टिकल्स, फ्रोजन गैसेस होती है. वो वेपोराइज होके क्या बनाती है? उसकी टेल बन जाती है बहुत लंबी, और वो टेल 1 मीटर, 1 किलोमीटर, उसकी साइज कुछ भी हो सकती है. दे आर वेरी, और मैक्सिमम 1 मिलियन किलोमीटर्स भी पॉसिबल. द मोस्ट फेमस comet is Halley comet, which is visible from Earth in every 76 years. The Halley comet will appear next in the 2062. So that's it. We discussed in today's class asteroids, meteors and comets. Note it down, all the points in your notebook. The homework will be checked whenever the school starts. So, and try to learn it. Have a nice day.